Hi guys, today we are unboxing our new baby, a GoPro 7 Hero or GoPro HERO7 Black action camera. We needed this. In another video we show you how disappointed we got with a Japanese Yashica action camera. It caused us a lot of trouble. So now we upgraded and let's see which way we can work with a GoPro. Try not to destroy it here. At times usually I'm not too good with boxes. And what is inside? Let's see what different tools and gadgets. This is a battery. And this is a USB key. So it seems that the camera itself is fixed. Yeah, that's what I was waiting for. Guide. So not too much in the guide. We are on our own to find out how it works. Now I remove the camera from its frame. It has this very nice turtle. You can, and I guess you're supposed to remove. After we charge, we will remove it. Okay. So I'm almost 100% sure that the battery is not charged. So I insert a small battery . And of course it's not. So what we're supposed to do now is to charge the battery with a USB, right? The only question is, where is the USB? And as the camera itself is waterproof, the USB is supposed to be here. Indeed. So now I put it on the charger. I also bought an extra battery, a rechargeable battery, for $29.99, practically 30 euros. This is again an enormously large box and a tiny little battery. I put it to the plastic bag of the original one, and this will be also charged later, and such way we can have an extra one. We also bought for $59.99, so 60 euros, a ScanDisk Extreme memory card, 128 gigabyte, and the specialty of this memory card that it supports 4K, drone and action camera. So it's much faster, hopefully much better. Memory card, it comes with the mini version and also the frame when you insert it into your laptop. Okay, the next item is a freeway grip, arm and tripod for €69.99, so 70 euros altogether, which I will open again. So it seems it's actually nothing else but one piece of different arms and this screw. I really hope that I don't have to waste my existing tools. And for the Yashica action cam, we had a lot of additional gadgets, and now I am checking if it's compatible. For example, here is this underwater house, this cover, which is waterproof. But now the camera is on charger, so at the moment I can't check it. This one is like a headset. It's completely compatible with this frame. I am doing the wrong way because that's supposed to be the front and at the back, but it doesn't matter at the moment. It completely works. Yeah, that's good. Maybe even today when I am, or if I am going to run, I will try and I will go to run, that's for sure. Okay, here is a clip version which also completely works. You can clip it to your cap or wherever you can. I love this one also. It's nothing else but creates an extension where you can change by 90 degrees the position of the holder. Here we also have this kind of holder. Actually, I didn't figure out yet how to use this, and some screw. And now I realize that something is missing because yesterday we also have a gadget which can fix the camera to a handlebar of a bicycle or wherever. So now we have all the tools for head or helmet, for clipping to a cap or to a handlebar, or we can hold the camera with our own arm. For example, I love this selfie stick function. Actually, not only for selfies, but it's also perfect. But to create like a motion image what I can do is to create a tripod, which at the moment I don't know how we do that. Okay. I guess, yes. So basically, in this thick part, there are the legs. Isn't it cool? So here is the last missing piece, which is simply here. You can fix it to the handlebar, and basically you don't need, because this is for the other camera, and it seems we do not really need this. I just simply can do it like this, but if it's problematic because the handlebar goes like this, right, like this, then the camera won't go ahead. So that's why you need this extension. Voila! And then the camera frame, and immediately here is the handlebar, goes like this, and the camera looks to the right direction. This is very smooth and cool. Okay, let's have a little bit of overview on our tools and gadgets. So here we go. The camera is almost fully charged, 98%. Is set to 4K, and which is very interesting, that it keeps the position. Actually it wrote that it doesn't support in this function in 4K, but it seems to do it. I like that it displays to the front screen the number of files you have, the number of videos at the moment, the battery percentage, or at least the status, if it is charged or almost off, almost empty, and the memory card, if you still have space on it. Okay, so it looks very promising. Let's see again. It's not visible. I tap it, yeah. And this is the way we can capture a little bit of a rainy Tallinn with our new GoPro HERO7 Black action camera.